everyone, welcome to my review of the Sullivan packing cases. These are new to KeriKit for the Autumn Winter 21 collection. I'm actually using a prototype version for this video. Vicky from the KeriKit Kit Girl group kindly let me have prototype versions so I can get this video out early. I do have the final version on order and I'm really excited to get mine. Just want to point out that difference to you. So the prototype version, and I will insert an image for you so you can see the new final version, but the main difference is that the viewing panel here in the vinyl is much bigger on the final versions. It comes down more down to here, so that's the main difference. So a quick review of them: you get a pack of 3, small, medium and large. You get one wristless strap. They come in the black nylon that's used on all the KeriKit nylon bags. It's that really soft, robust nylon that Keri has been using, and it's remarkable on backpacks, so it will be very robust on these. All have the light champagne logo on them, which in itself is a beautiful statement piece anyway. And then the zipper pulls have the little studs, the KeriKit studs. And for a production prototype version, it's not always the final zips, but these are pretty good. So I'm sure they'll either be the same or better in the final version as well. So that's the 3 that you get. They are quite a lightweight because they're made with the nylon. So I've pulled out my body. I have a few of these in leather and in nylon. This is the nylon leopard. It's exactly the same as the black. It feels just the same. And this is the large Sullivan packing case against a body. So it's just a tad taller than the body. So if you're used to using the KeriKit body, it is a tad taller for the large. Obviously they're the same in terms of the thickness and how they are. And the wristlet on here is removable, but it's not on the body. But I was kind of thinking this makes quite a nice pairing. If you want to add an extra, you want a 4th one of a similar size, the body quite goes really nicely alongside that. And if you have the nylon wet bags, you could put that inside. And talking of those, the KeriKit bags come with a small zip top multi-use bag, which you can actually buy extra on the site as well if you want a few extra ones of them. So if you don't have the bags that I'm going to show you that have these particular ones, you can actually buy these separately. So this is the multi-use bag for the midi bags. So this is the smaller one, and this is the large. So they are literally the same size as the midi multi-use bag, which is a wet bag. So that would look really nicely sort of folded inside one of these. It would fold, actually, if you're folding that in half, it will fold really nicely into the medium as well. They're alongside some nappies and wipes and stuff. And then this is the large multi-use bag that comes with the bigger bags, the full-size Lennox, Amber and Joy. You'll get the large zip top bag, which obviously is a lot bigger, but what it does obviously easily fold up and go inside with the beautiful KeriKit lining that they're made out of. It complements the hardware really nicely. So in my packing you will see a few of these popping around because they're really useful to tuck inside things. But there you go, new for autumn winter 2021. Thank you for watching.